But I get so mad when I see you coming back.
All right, well, the game them get stupider and stupider. So them bring in somebody named Peter Gay, we're just as dunce as the rest of them. So here the plan: plastic cups, paper cups, and we're supposed to use our mouths, or one of those spoons. Notice them tie with hand behind my back, so we can't use our hand. And Simone, apparently the two are we supposed to go at the same time.
How is that possible?
The two are we so we're supposed to take it out with the mouth, something.
No, put it back in. That was just a demo. But some of them gone underneath the water.
That's your problem. Two of us supposed to do it at the same time. Come now.
How do I get it go? You can't reach up there. I'm shorter than you, know. Can't reach it.
Telling all the while I use my mouth very nicely. But oh, me I'll get that one, you know. Simone, move your head now.
Kind of.
No, this is all right. Folks, I won't put that one so I'm going to. You know I want our head. The cup's supposed to say empty. Hello?
I can't
Move out time here now. All right, wait, all right.
This needs to pull down somewhere.
No, it don't need to pull down.
Oh man, this is a problem. Pardon me.
You're such a crook. I will put a notice at home who doing this, the crook.
Alright, let me just at least then raise them above water.
Peter Gay, come here, please. Where's Peter Gay?
Nev. Technique.
Yeah, but you can't use your hand. Peter Gay, take out the cups, please. This is Peter Gay, as I said. You can't say she does dance like the rest of them. Just look at her proper. No, you have to take them out.
Can you come out on
take them out
on the right side? Come over. So why are we taking them all out?
Yeah, because time.
Oh.
So we can take off this now?
Thank Jesus.
Take off this now?
So we must line them up now?
Yeah. Why not? What's not going on?
Taking a while to fill up.
Yeah.
See one more cup over here, please.
All right.
Oh dear. Okay.
Just want to test it.
I don't think that's the right way.
I just want to test it. It'll work.
Okay.
Oh, where we must stay and do this? Shoot, so? Why?
It don't make sense. Why you saying my cup heavier than never, you know?
No. Feed me the whole time, good man, and joke me a make.
Not even funny. Come to something. No. Did you just use the gun to hit off the cup? I saw you. My cup heavier than yours. One even? Never you wetting me up. Jeez, I'm crying. Oh, mercy. Take too much effort. Oh, yeah, man. Let's start shoot people. Ah! Young man. So are you gonna have to go to work? This is wrong with you, man.
No, me Al Capone. Me just see me Al Capone. Me Al Capone. What up to you, man?
Take water.
What to that woman, man?